to Aabinandan Academic. My dear students, in the chapter 9, the differential equations, the very important topic, method of solving first order, first degree. What's the meaning first order, first degree? So already you know that order and degree definitions. Is clear? See that for example, what's the given that d squared y by dx squared plus 4y is equal to 0. What's the order? Order is equal to 2. You know that here degree is equal to 1. Is clear? Next here, what's the meaning? Order is equal to, what's the here? Order is equal to 1, degree is equal to 2. So here the equations order 1, degree 1. Here this is given the differential equation. I got to just go to simplify. Now you tell them here what's the meaning? Order 1, degree 1. That's clear? See, the first equation order is 2. So second equation order degree is 2. So just go to eliminate. So my question is third and fourth problem. That's clear? Order 1, degree 1. Order 1, degree 1. Therefore, this type of problem how to solve. That's clear? So, method of solving first order, first degree. Say first order, first degree. This type of, these two types of problem how to solve. That's clear? This is the meaning of method of solving first order, first degree equation. There are 4 methods are available. The differential equation in variable separable method, that is in your NCERT book exercise 9.4. Again, differential equation reducible to the variable separable form. Is an NCERT book is not available. Better you refer the other books. Next and the third one, homogeneous differential equations. So in your NCERT book exercise 9.5 and 9.6 exercise, that is linear differential equations. Is clear? Now we will discuss the first method of variable separable method. Okay. What's the meaning of variable separable? That is the meaning of separable meanings. Is clear? See the consider one box. Is clear? Consider one box here x squared y squared 1 by y. Is clear? 1 by x, multiple terms are here. Okay, x and y terms. So I will select one small box. That particular box I will select only x variable. What's the meaning? Here x and x squared 1 by x. I will segregate only x variable. Next again I will consider another one small box. Okay, I will select the y variable. What's the meaning? Here y and y squared and here 1 by y. Okay, what's the meaning? Here one box, all the variables are available. I will segregate x term separate and y term separate. That is the meaning separable. So variable separable means I could separate the variable is called the variable separable. So all the variables are available in the first box. So I will select the first variable, okay, x variable, again y variable, I will separate. So variable separate, that is the meaning of variable separable methods. Is clear? So consider any one differential equations. So x and y terms are mingled. So first I will segregate x term and y term. Is clear? X and y term. Next you go to integrate. This method is called the differential equation of variable separable methods. Is clear? So what's it in general? In general, the differential equation can be expressed in the form of x, bx and dx. Is clear? So in all the terms bx in terms of x, again qy means again in terms of y, you got to integrate with respect to y. Then the variable x and y are separable. Is clear? Next you got to integrate integration of bx dx is equal to integration of qy dy. I got to introduce some constants. So you know that here left hand side you introduce one constant. Again right hand side you got to introduce one constant. So in the both constant I will take the only one constant common. In common I will select in C. Okay. No need to recruit of. Okay. Both sides don't. Okay. Introduce the constant. Both sides no need. Okay. You got to introduce one constant that is commonly you can write right hand side or left hand side, any one side. In basically right hand side you got to introduce it. Is clear? Only common constant. Is clear? So in your NCERT book, that is exercise 9.4, the question number 1 to 10. Is clear? Question number 1 to 10, that concept based, I will select 4 different types of problem. Question number 1, 4, 7, 9, I will select. Is clear? See the first one problem. Okay. What's the meaning of the first one problem? See, given the question is dy by dx is equal to 1 minus cos x. Is clear? Divided by 1 plus cos x. Is clear? 1 plus cos x. So this format automatically here right hand side you know that all the terms are in x. Is clear? So left hand side here y only. So I will here y is equal to 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x into dx. Now you see that dy equal to fully left hand side, okay, in terms of y term. Here you see the right hand side fully 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x into dx. The right hand side fully in terms of x. So I got to integrate with respect to x. Here left hand side integrate with respect to y. Okay, so that is the meaning. First important, x and y term is a segregate. That's the meaning of variable separable method. So now you go take it integrate. Here integration of 1 and here. That's clear. Same way here dy integrate means y is equal to here 1 minus cos x plus 1 plus cos x. That's a very important. You know that formula 1 minus cos x is clear. So 1 minus cos x, you know the trigonometry formula 2 sine squared x by 2 is clear, divided by 1 plus cos x, you know the trigonometry formula 2 cos squared x by 2 into dx. So here 2 cancel, here sine squared x by 2 divided by cos squared x by 2. What's the formula here? Integration of tan squared is clear, x by 2 into dx. So you know that integration of tan squared x, you don't know formula, so I could simplify and segregate. What's the meaning? Again using the formula integration of secant squared. What's the meaning? Here tan squared x is equal to secant squared x minus 1. Another formula 1 plus tan squared x is equal to secant squared x. Trigonometry identities formula. So here tan squared x means up here secant squared x by 2 minus 1 into dx. So now you have to integrate. So y is equal to secant squared x by 2. Integration means tan x by 2. Is clear? Another formula tan x by 2 is clear, divided by what's the coefficient of x? That is 1 by 2. Up here 1 by 2. Next here minus constant equal to integration the value of x. Next I go to introduce some constant plus c. So in a commonly the both left hand side right hand side I got commonly I got to introduce the constant c. Is clear? Now you got to simplify. Here y is equal to just equal to 2. Up here 2 into tan x by 2. That's clear? Minus x plus c, some constant c. That's clear? That is the meaning of question number 1. Okay, understood children? Question number 4. Secant squared x tan y dx plus secant squared y tan x dy is equal to 0. Is clear? The question number 4. See that x and y terms are mingled. Note the point, x and y are mingled. So first you will segregate x term and y term. So first I will segregate here dx and dy. Here one side, any one side dx or dy segregate. First important step. That is when I convert the right hand side dx term, left hand side I will select dy term. Y sir means, so write the solution y is equal to in terms of x, that is a differential equations. So that purpose only I will segregate left hand side in dy term, right hand side in x term. No problem, otherwise I could solve left hand side x term and right hand side y term, so not a problem. Okay, so in convenient I will select. So up here what's the meaning here? X square secant squared y tan x dy is equal to minus of secant squared x tan y into dx. I will segregate both here left side and right sides. Okay, so here dy term is left hand side, dx term is right hand side. So but here left hand side I have to integrate with respect to y, okay, because of dy term. So now you will check it, all the terms are in dy or not. So here secant squared y in terms of y, here tan x will come, but here left hand side you integrate, what's the value? Dy term. Same way you see the compare, right hand side, here I could integrate with respect to x dx term. So only I need required terms of in terms of x, but you see that secant squared x okay, but here tan y in terms of y. So first you will segregate x variable and y variable. So but here what's the meaning? Here secant squared y, what's the compare right hand side? Tan y. So I divided by tan y, is clear, into dy. Here tan x you will go to that side, here minus secant squared x divided by tan x, is clear, into dx. Now you will segregate variable x term and y term. Now you see that left hand side integration with respect to dy in terms of y. Here also in all the terms of x in the right hand side. So that's a very important. So any differential equation, first you will segregate x term and y term. That's a very important. Yes, clear? Same way, here you know that basic formula, same integration of, yes, clear? Integration of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equal to log of f of x. That is, put a modulus here means, okay, logarithmic function, negative value cannot be defined. That purpose only put the modulus. So integration of f dash of f divided by f of x equal to log f of x. So now you will x term, y term you could segregate. So now you will take it integrate. So take it minus also. So here tan y you got a differentiations secant squared y. Is clear? That purpose only up here log of, okay, log of tan y. Next is equal to here minus of, here f dash of x by f of x equal to log of tan x. Is clear? Now we got to introduce the some constant. So here you see that question number 1 I got to introduce the constant c. Here I got to introduce the some constant plus log c. Why sir put log c means, see here the entire equation will come to logarithmic term. Okay, the entire equation come to logarithmic term means you got to introduce the constant log c. It's clear? Introduce the constant log c. That purpose. So now you see that here tan x into tan y. So you see in logarithmic negative terms of x means you convert the right hand side up here log of tan y plus log of tan x. It's clear? Tan x is equal to log c. So you know the logarithmic rules. Here log a, okay, plus log b. It's clear? Log a, log b is equal to log of ab. That is product, you know that. Okay. Same way up here logarithmic tan y into tan x. Tan y into tan x is equal to log on the c. So take in exponential on the both sides. So logarithmic cancel. What's the remaining? Tan y into tan x is equal to c. Take in, that is the meaning e. Is clear? Take it the exponential function. So exponential logarithmics are self-reciprocal. So already you know that. So I am taking exponential on the both sides. So here logarithmic cancel, but here tan y is equal to tan x is equal to e. C. Is clear? Understood, children? Next question number 7. What is the question number 7? Y log y dx is equal to x dy is equal to 0. Is clear? So this type of problem, first I will segregate y into log y dx is equal to x into dy. Is clear? So dx term one side, here dy term is here one side. Is clear? Next I will segregate the variable. So here what's the meaning? Here dx, is clear? Dx by, that is meaning x term you will come, that is meaning x is equal to here what's the meaning? Here 1 by y into log y into dy. Is clear? Now we get to integrate, that is integration of 1 by y log y, is clear? Into, sorry, here dy. In terms of dy, here dy is equal to here integration of 1 by x into dx. Is clear? So left hand side as usual, you find it in terms of y, right hand side in terms of x. So now here I am using substitution method. What variable you got substitution method? Here I will choose the one variable, one function, your differentiation, you will get the another function. So already you know that integral calculus. So I will choose to put t is equal to log y. Is clear? Put t is equal to log y. So now dt by dy is equal to log y differentiation, that is meaning 1 by y. So now you see that dt is equal to 1 by y into dy. Is clear? So you see that dt is equal to 1 by y dy. So here 1 by y dy is equal to what's the value? Dt. Here integration of 1 by t, 1 by log y, that is meaning t, and 1 by y dy is equal to dt. Is clear? So already you know the substitution method. So here into dt, same way here right hand side, here 1 by x into dx. Is clear? Now we get to integrate log t. Is clear? Here also you got to integrate log x plus some constant, logarithmic constant c. Is clear? Y equal to logarithmic means both sides are logarithmic. So now here log of, again t, what's the meaning? T is equal to log y. So again I introduce a log y. So equal to here logarithmic additions. So now you got to choose log of xc. The addition term log a plus log b is equal to log of xc. Is clear? Now taking the reciprocal on the taking exponential function, that is meaning e both side. So here logarithmic, this logarithmic you could cancel. What are remaining? Log y is clear is equal to xc. So again I will take it logarithmic functions. So here again I am taking exponential function. Sorry, I am taking the exponential function is equal to e power xc. Okay, so you know that ideas. Y is equal to e power x means, so taking log on the both side means here x will come. Is clear? Taking log means exponential cancel. Same way here y is equal to log x will come. So taking exponential e, therefore up here e power y is equal to e power log x. Is clear? So up here e power y is equal to e log, that we will cancel. What the remaining value is equal to x. That's a very important. So logarithmic functions, exponential functions are self-reciprocal. Okay, both are reciprocal functions. Suppose logarithm will come, take it exponential. So logarithmic remove. Suppose exponential term will come, taking logarithmic concept, automatically exponential should be removed. That's a concept already you are studying in the 11th standard also. Just you got to recall. Is clear? Next, same way, question number 9 also. Here what's the meaning? Dy by dx is equal to sine inverse of x. Is clear? So but here sine inverse of x means same, you could follow dy, okay, is equal to sine inverse of x into dx. So easy to segregate x variable and y variable. So now you take the integrate here dx and here. So sine inverse of x. Okay, so here right hand side is easy to integrate, that value is equal to y. But left hand side here sine inverse of x, okay, tan inverse of x terms will come. Sometimes the children will come sine inverse of x is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. That is the meaning of the differentiations. Here also integrations. Okay, note the point. This method using integration by parts. It's clear. You know that integration by parts method. So I will select I-late concept. I-late means I is equal to inverse trigonometry. You select the format. So in integration by parts, you know that formula, integration of u dv is equal to uv minus integration of v du. You know that formula. So I will select I-late concept. So you know that I is equal to, what's the meaning? Use I-late means inverse trigonometry functions. L means logarithmic function. So already I got to explain my channel videos also. Okay, I-late concept, that is integration by parts concept based. Okay, the previous video also. Okay, previous chapter. So now we will come to straight away. Here I will select u is equal to sine inverse of x. That's clear. So now use differentiation du by dx, sine inverse of x differentiation square root of 1 minus x square. So the remaining dv is equal to dx. So I take in integrate, so for v is equal to x. So now using right hand side dy, so left hand side dy means y is equal to right hand side, I got sine inverse of x. I am using that formula uv. What's the meaning uv? That is the meaning x sine inverse of x. That's clear. X sine inverse of x minus integration v du. V means here x and du means over here 1 minus x squared into dx. It's clear? 1 minus x squared into dx. So again using the another one formula. So you know that formula, integration of f dash of x divided by, it's clear, root f of x into dx is equal to 2 into root f of x. That's that concept. 2 into root f of x plus some constant c. Already you know that the basic definitions. So the denominator equal to differentiation, we get the value of numerator. That's clear. Up here denominator 1 equal to differentiation 0, again x square differentiation minus 2x. So here minus will come, x will come. I need the 2x. So up here multiple and divided by numerator and denominator 2. Why you would put 2 means the denominator value differentiation, we get the numerator value. So up here 1 minus x square differentiation 0 minus 2x. I need the 2 value. Here minus already here. So I need the 2. So up here above concept. So x sine inverse of x, okay, plus 1 by 2 integration of minus 2x divided by root of 1 minus x square into dx. Now you see that? It's clear? Just you got differentiation, constant 0, x square differentiation minus 2x. Okay, so that value is equal to multiple divided by 2. That's clear? So now using the formula, integration of f dash of x divided by f of x concept. So up here y is equal to x into sine inverse of x. Okay, so here plus 2 into this formula. Here already here 1 by 2. It's clear? 1 by 2. Using that formula, here 2 into root f of x, that is root of 1 minus x squared plus some constant c. Here 2 cancel. But here y is equal to x into sine inverse of x plus root of 1 minus x squared plus some constant c. Is clear? Understood, children? So now you see the NCERT book, that question number 1 to 10 you can solve, okay, very easily. So the same variable separable method, another 10 problem, concept based. Next video. Thank you.